Good evening, everybody. I'm Vice Forecaster JD Rep with you in the uh, USA Severe Weather Network Center. We just have a tornado warning has just been issued, so we have a tornado warning in process right now. So this is a tornado warning that goes into effect into about 8 p.m. This is just a radar indicated tornado, I think now. So that doesn't mean we have have any confirmed report of a tornado on the ground right now. So let me hold on a second. So let's go right to radar and sort this one out. We have a tornado warning right down here, and this is part of the Mississippi, or in fact, into about 8 p.m. This is part of the Mississippi area. At 7:08, severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Zama down here, and Elberg communities from 45 miles an hour. So what we expect, tornado and quarter-size hail. So this is the time, if you're in this pink polygon, you need to be getting centered and get covered immediately. This is a tornado warning that goes into effect into 8 p.m. So uh, remember, radar indicated tornado means some rotation has been detected. So we definitely want to take these storms very seriously tonight and let the storm pass. So definitely there's some potentially has some shear there. Just gonna pull up our tool that we all use here at the Weather Center and see if we have any debris. There's a little yellow, a little blue. We'll have to watch that and see if that continues to develop. So we have a tornado warning that continues into 8 p.m. So we'll stay with you just for a little bit on it. It's just a radar indicated tornado. So that means the tornado on the ground. But this is stuff that's been happening for the last couple of hours. So this is why we're still on here. So tornado warning continues to about 8 p.m. Looking through hail right now. Don't see any hail. So that is good news. But a tornado watch goes in effect at 1 a.m. So we'll still be here to keep you updated. But these sails, let me back out a little bit. In Alabama, Mississippi are going to continue to see and develop. We could have a few isolated sails that could develop, and these are the ones to see. And I get concerned that could produce tornadoes and all sorts of stuff. So I don't know why my phone is showing we have all these warnings, and it always pops up the tornado warning. Tornado watch continues now until 1 o'clock in the morning, and just check the SPC from my phone, the update, and it just continues to keep the tornado risk at 5%. Wind threat went up, especially the hail threat is still there, but still we would have to watch these sails for the next couple hours. So if you're just joining, we have tornado warning continues in effect, and I'm going to reset something here a minute while we're on here, because my computer is supposed to be showing me all these warnings. So sorry about that. I'm going to have to reset my radar. What I do. Alright, I got it squared away right now. Sorry, but it took a little too long just because I have to do something. So, alright, back in here. We still have the tornado warning goes in effect into this down here, down here in parts of the Mississippi. This tornado warning still goes in effect into about 8 p.m. Plus, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued into 8 p.m. for South Russell County and Central Mississippi, South Central Newburgh County, and South Central Mississippi at 6:54. Severe thunderstorm is near Zama and or 11 miles southeast of Egberg, Manustra, 50 miles an hour. So hazardous. 60 miles of wind gusts and hail the size of quarter. So definitely some very large hail is going to require with these storms this evening. Looking at base velocity just to see if we have any shared with this. I don't see hardly any, but I love to take a look at the hail. Yeah, goodness gracious. Starting to get a little bit of the maybe moderate category for hail this evening. And you just joined us right now. We have a severe thunderstorm warning goes here for Clark County, Nashville, South Central Dixon County, Central Middle Tennessee, South Central Murray County, and South Central Tennessee, North Central Williamson County, Tennessee, and Central Hitman County, Tennessee. It runs in effect until around 7:30. At 6:59, severe thunderstorm near Caruthersville, Manusha 40, so hazard, 60 miles of wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. So this storm could have a potentially producing a small brief spin-up tornado also, but it doesn't give me any signs of it right now, so that is some fantastic news, but still we have that tornado warning goes in effect into around 8 p.m. So definitely there could be some more shared out here that we do have to we're going to have to watch. So that's why we're letting you know tonight. Sorry about all this computer stuff messing up right now. So let me back out and try to do this a little bit differently. We have one report of 1-inch hail on I-24 and I-84. So that's still showing you I-40 has some hail with that. So these cells are giving me signs of some rotating storms tonight. Every place ain't going to get a tornado, but this one could be a possibility of getting ready to spin up another one right over here by Copen area. If you're in that area, you definitely want to be ready in case the Weather Service goes with a tornado warning. And I'll pull up our tools just to see if anything's developing. There's no warning yet, but this just tells you what the environment is set up tonight for these storms to get going. So we could have storms could train a little bit. That's why flash flood warnings are being issued. So there could be more tornado warnings in Memphis. So definitely this is a time to be taking the plan of action tonight and protect yourself from flying debris. So far we're not seeing any tornado damage quite yet. New severe thunderstorm warning just got put in place, I think. Not the same one. This one over here goes in effect about 8 p.m. for Kentucky, Moore County, and Central Kentucky, Allen County, and South Central Kentucky, Barron County, and South Central Kentucky to about 8 p.m. At 7:17, a severe thunderstorm 8 miles southwest of Wilton, moving northeast around 55 miles per hour, folks, so hazardous. This storm could produce hail the size of ping pong and wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. So you're just thinking that is very strong to damage and winds and some very large hail. So let me zoom in just a little closer, look at the storm here, and we'll pull up our tools and look at this storm really close. So there is some very large hail right over there. So you're in that path of that storm. There's in my mind, we could see some very large hail with that one storm. So tornado warning continues down there. Severe thunderstorm winds are going up. These could be some spin up tornadoes tonight. Definitely one down here we're going to have to keep an eye on as this line continues. So hold on just a second and put things on mute. Alright, we still got the tornado warning that goes in effect about 8 p.m. So far, is this just a radar indicated moving at 44 miles per hour. Just going through the computer, make sure everything looks okay. Get ready to send things back just in a little bit. So far today, we've been having storms, been producing tornadoes today. This is the day where we thought there's going to be more sheared out there that can support storms. Alright, still got the tornado wind that goes in effect about 8 p.m. So far, there's no confirmed report of a tornado down yet. So that is some very good news that we don't have a tornado on the ground right now. So definitely we want to really keep that just checking the chat, make sure we don't have any debris right now. So far we don't have any. But that is a potential of a tornado tornado wind continues about 8 p.m. So far we have no confirmed report of a tornado on the ground right now. So definitely that's one good news of these little cells. So let me check one more thing before I send things back. So that's one good thing that we don't have. So right now, tornado warning continues about 8 p.m. So if we get a report of a tornado on the ground or any debris with this tornado, we will be back with you right now. For right now, I am Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you. We want to continue to keep you updated through the nighttime hour and break in if we have any damage that comes available.